Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to transfer a WordPress site from a Hostinger account to another Hostinger account. In my case, this is my first account with the WordPress website that I want to delete. And here, this is my second Hostinger account. So I will jump between them just like that. Now, to transfer your WordPress website from a Hostinger account to another one, it's simple. Just log into your first Hostinger account. I've already did that. This is the WordPress website that I want to transfer. So it's simple. Just copy this website address like that. Go to your second Hostinger account, log in, then go to websites, then click on migrate website. Here you can migrate or transfer your website using login credentials or upload your backup files. Personally, I recommend you to go with login details, especially if you have slow internet. Make sure to select use login details, click on next. Here, paste your website URL or address that I'm talking about, the website you want to transfer, like that. It's called bike.com.builders. Click on next. Now fill in your WordPress website username or email address here, then your password. This way you are giving Hostinger your WordPress website login credentials. And those are my username and password. If you forgot about those login credentials, it's simple to recover them. Just go back to your first or original Hostinger account, and next to your WordPress website, you can either click on WP admin and you will be automatically logged to your WordPress admin area. Click on finish setup to get to this usual WordPress dashboard. This is your email address. You can copy it from here, or let's click on edit profile. This is your username or email address. And for the password, to recover it, it's simple. Just same thing from the users under or below users, click on profile, scroll down to new password, click on set new password, fill in your password here, confirm use of weak password if your password is weak, and hit update profile. After that, here fill in your newly created password. Now after that, click on next and wait a moment. Let's read this migration summary. You are migrating the content of this website. Here you will see your WordPress website address to this temporary domain. Later you can change your you can use your old WordPress address. For your server location, by default, in my case it's North America, I can change it to another server location. Here I recommend you to select a closer server location to your website traffic. And this is the platform that you are transferring. Click on submit request and wait a minute or a few minutes. As you see, my migration request has been successfully submitted and the migration status is still in progress. And here I can see the migrations I have currently. In my case, I only have a single migration. Let's refresh this page to see if my to see the new status of this migration. It is still in progress. After doing some work and going back to the same page without refreshing this page, the website migration status changed to completed. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom Builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. The website migration status changed to completed. So here, just be patient. This migration waiting time or this waiting time depends on your WordPress website size. The bigger your website, the longer time you need to wait. Now that the status or the migration or the transfer status is completed, let's give my website a visit. And this is exactly my WordPress website. As you see, now it is accessible from using this temporary domain. Now to connect my domain name, which was bike.dotcom.builders, just go back to the Hostinger account. And by Hostinger account, I mean the second or your new Hostinger account. Then go to websites list, and you will see your transferred WordPress website first in this list. To start using your old WordPress website or to connect your domain name, it's simple. Just click on these three dots and select Connect Domain. And follow this simple process of filling your domain name here. Click on Next and follow on. If you don't know how to do this, it's simple. Just go to YouTube and search for how to connect domain to Hostinger and add dotcom.builders, and you will see my tutorial that shows you how to do it. And that was all for this tutorial. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.